Hi everyone, it's Grace with Boujee, Beaks, Hen Haven. Look at my babies! And we have something cheap to chirp about. It's a peep tote made out of a litter thing. So they don't have their feathers yet, but I do like to take them on outings outside when the weather is nice. And I was using this basket. I would put them down in there. Well, guess what? They can fly now. So I was trying to get them back in the other day, and I was trying to keep them contained. And in all of the chaos, I tripped up the stairs. Yes, I tripped up the stairs. Well, anyway, thank God for martial arts training. I didn't hurt any peeps, and I only injured my back a little bit. But anyway, so this is so easy to make. I just cut a hole in the top there and zip tied some hardware cloth. It's very similar to what I did here with the top to this tote. So there you are. Those are two something cheaps that you can chirp about. They are